All right, folks. So today we're taking a look at insider profit groups. Is it a scam? Is it legit? What exactly is it? Let's check it out. But first, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. I make videos about making money online, and I have my #1 recommendation in the video description. There's a link in the video description as well for my #1 recommendation for making money online. You get 2 free websites, free training. You don't even need a credit card to sign up. You get a free membership to join. It's really cool, and there's a lot of people there to help out, and it's like having your own mastermind group and such. But anyways, let's take a look at this, folks. All right, so I've seen a zillion products like this, and this is totally bogus, folks. Turn $9 into 11,000, whatever, per month with this little known secret. Here we go again with these little known secrets. If you watch my other videos and see my other product reviews, these people, they always have these little known secrets and these loopholes and this crap that they try to get you to buy, this nonsense. They promise you these huge amounts of money without doing much work at all. It's a low ticket entry price, $9. Then of course there's upsells. Here's the script for this product. Some name, Steve Jason, which is not even a real name, it's a pen name. You can see that down here. This letter features the use of a pen name to protect the privacy of the creator. Yeah, okay, so people always want to protect their privacy because they're full of crap. And he gives you some sob story of how he lost his job and his home, where everything was gone in one day, and then he stumbled upon this really interesting loophole in this thing that people do and make money, and you just make so much money. I mean, such nonsense. Oh yeah, so what it basically is Facebook groups, little known profit group technique that, a $4 billion market. Okay, yeah. So, and then they put the scarcity tactic on here. I was saying, it's only a limited time availability. Where is that at? Oh yeah, only 100 copies will be sold at this price. They try to get you to order it right away with that false sense of scarcity. So I'm calling BS, folks, on this product. And that's all I got to say about it. You can try it out if you want. Put your comments below if you want. But anyways, if you really want to make money online and and actually have to work at it and go through the emotions yourself and learn everything you can and start off for free, check out the link in the video description below for my #1 recommendation. It's pretty cool. You get a free membership. Like I said, no credit card needed or anything like that. But anyways, that is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.